want that.
Hey.
So you wanna learn how to craft the sword? So, let's build it.
Step 1. Draw your own way. That's step 1. How to make legendary sword. Step 1. Draw your design.
We forgot to record that, but here's how it looks.
Step 2. Grind the shape out of the scrap.
From this and this, Deathstroke swords. How?
Step 3. Give it some curves.
You know, like give it more definition, more shabby.
Step 4. Temper. Okay, yeah, this is getting old. I'm just gonna like make it hard with fire and oil. The process of making a metal extremely hot and then suddenly cold hardens the metal for some reason. So we had to get the metal to be a little bit less than 700 degrees Celsius. So we used a leaf blower and then later on a fan. Give the fire more oxygen, thus making it warmer.
Okay, the sword is hard as hell now.
It's hard as steel.
Let's make it look brilliant. Hey, baby. Shh. You don't have to say anything.
Let's zien of hij op moet zitten.
So far it actually really looks dope. Still have a lot of work to do. At the moment it has pretty decent grip. But okay, let's start with sanding. Why don't you ever see an elephant in a tree? Because they are just so darn good at it. I tell you what, I help you, man. I shine a light with my best and push this. I go take this part, we can just on. Nothing laugh. What should I do there? Just throw this thing halfway through. Exactly!
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Loser. We're going to eat pizza now.
Look at all them chickens.
That was quite edifying pizza if you know what I mean by edifying pizza. I just want to know. Hæ? Wat doen ek? Ek weet nie, ek's bored. Plesie. That was Esther.
You see me watch me like drink coke and other people be like, oh, I also want to drink coke, and then we're like, yeah, cocaine yourself some coke. You know, you can sponsor me.
And now it is nice and smooth. And now I paint it in oil. And now for my most favorite part, decoration. We're putting Japanese symbols on this sword. Sayonara. Adolf. Bye bye. Hello.
Es ist grind! Exam Atlas!
Bruh, ain't no one got time for this. This video is too long. Just skip to the outro.
Hey, you there?
Me?
Yeah, you. Are you tired of not wearing a mask? Do you want to wear a mask? Introducing the next level of fashion. It's comfortable, it looks cool, and it would keep you safe. For only 80 Rand each.
But wait, if you order now, you can get it for free! So what are you waiting for? Order now before it's too late!
It's no longer valid because you waited too long.